Yes student, today we are learning angle sum property of triangle. So let us first take the figure of a triangle. This is a triangle. You know what is a triangle. Let this point be A, this is as B, this C. Now come to the property. It says that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Now let us see why is it so. For this we are doing an activity. Let this be a triangle. Draw a triangle and mark all angles by color. You can observe these are the cutout of the angles. Cut out all angles. Now you have to paste all the angles like this. Paste them together on the straight line. After pasting, we find all the angles completely covers the straight angle. Now let us do some questions based on this property. So the question is, find the value of x in the given figure. Let us take A part. We have the figure of a triangle, as the property is based on triangle, so we have a figure of a triangle. Let this angle be x. This is 50 degree and the third angle is 60 degree. In this we have to find the value of x. So we are going to use the property by angle sum property of triangle. We have to add all the angle x plus 50 degree plus 60 degree and their sum is equal to 180 degree according to the property. 180 degree. Now here we have to do the calculation. X plus 50 plus 60 after adding will give 110 degree. Here we are adding 50 plus 60 equal to, on the right hand side we have 180 degree. Now for finding the value of x, we have to transpose 110 degree to the another side. So it will move with negative sign and after subtraction we get 70 degree. 180 degree minus 110 degree give 70 degree. Come to the B part. Again we are taking a figure of a triangle. Here we are taking all the angles equal to x. Now we have to find the value of the x. So using the same property by angle sum property of triangle. The sum of all the angle, that is x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Now on the left hand side you are observing all the terms are x. So 3 are there, when we add we get 3x equal to 180 degree. Now for finding the value of x we have to take 3 to the another side. So it will go to the division. Since On the left hand side it is in multiplication. So after dividing we get x equal to 60, 3 6 18, 60 degree. 0 will be written as it is. So the value of x is 60. Thank you.